Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to the channel here today. We are back. Today's an exciting video. I can't wait to do this. We're finally going to get Minion back. Transmission's fixed. Everything is repaired. Everything is running good, driving good. Huge thanks to Chase for doing all the work to the car and getting it fixed. So happy to have it back. So we're about to head over to his house now, grab it. We're taking this thing over there as he just did some work to this car. He lowered it and adjusted all the bolts. This thing looks super good lowered. It's on the Steeda Sport springs for Magna Ride. And then we put a 1-inch spacer all the way around. It kind of sticks out a little too much in the rear. So maybe get a tinier spacer. But once it comes out of the garage and out in the sun, I'll be able to show it off a little bit more. The front looks really good though with the 1-inch spacer. Got it kicked out just enough. Let's go ahead and get it out into the sun and back it up. Of course, got to show off the approach lighting as always. But also, you know, we got the H-pipe on this thing now. Oh, the door handle's a lot lower now as well. Hop in. This thing sounds so good. I actually love the way this car sounds. All right, let's go ahead and back it out of the garage. Perfect. Got the camera shining. Also, you literally just have to do that and parking brake is on. But yeah, this is a normal exhaust mode too. Yeah, you can kind of see right here how it's lowered. You can get like a finger and a half in there, and then up front about, again, finger and a half, maybe 2 fingers going up. But it looks good. It hasn't fully settled yet, so it might go down a little bit more. Also, these are 19-inch wheels, so when you put 20s on it, it's going to cut that gap in a little bit more as well. But this thing is so cool. It's a little dirty right now, looking like Minion. But so happy to have both yellow cars back on the road. It's going to be insane having my car back. Hope you're ready for more loud, annoying clips, because I haven't heard that car in a hot minute, so I'm scared to see how loud it actually is now. Alright, we're picking up the car. It's done. Well, I was going to put the GoPro on my head and film the whole drive home, how it felt, my reaction, but I left the head strap at home, so I'm an idiot. So I guess we're just going with what we got. But huge thanks to Chase for getting all the work done for me and getting this thing back on the streets. So, and he does good work. So you got the yellow banana right here. Oh, bumper gap. Get rid of that. And you got this thing right here, shining right here. Love both these cars so much for different reasons. His car is the hot new thing on the block, and it looks so good with the new suspension on it. And then this thing's always looked incredible. I might need to put a little spacer on the front here just to stick it out a little bit. But the back is perfect, bro. Absolutely perfect. This car needs to get a little wash now that it's actually clean. Or now that it's actually done, it needs to be cleaned for good. And Sunday back on the content grind, boys and girls. We got our whip back and it's time to go. Here's Chase's little project car, his turbo S197 that was at Mustang week with us, with the carbon 350R spoiler on the S197. Green car, in case you didn't know, with the carbon license plate surround. He's got the purple Ford Star drag radials in the back, the carbon fiber hood. And then you got the BF good wrenches on the RTR. I think those are the Tech 5s. With the 500 bumper with the carbon grills. And then he's got his C63 AMG right here with some more carbon fiber. This is a 707 edition C63. So these are pretty rare cars. They come with the indented hood scoops that you don't get on the normal one. A bunch of other cool little features. So we just pulled the S650 in the garage to re-tighten and torque down all the bolts on the wheels and on the camber plates up front. And Dad told me to be the one to back it out of the garage. So sick. So I guess we're gonna hop in here and make sure we're neutral, start her up. We're at 510 miles on this thing after a month and a half pretty much of owning it. We got it on October 5th. It's November 11th right now. So we've had it for a good little while and it's only been 500 miles. And this piece of crap broke the day before this car showed up. Literally like a day or two before this thing showed up. So I've been driving the V6. I've driven this like 4 or 5 times. I love this steering wheel though. This steering wheel is probably the best feeling steering wheel I've ever felt. I guess we'll go ahead and leave it there. And then you really just have to do that and the parking brake turns on. Haha, and it connected to my phone. Get screwed over. So now we got the CarPlay up. The CarPlay in the S650 is absolutely insane. How you can literally see everything. But now, it's time to go ahead and hop in that thing and head back home to where we can finally start screwing around. Alright, back in the whip. I'm gonna roll the seat up. Hang on, give me a second. She's back alive. 80,458 miles. Alright, so I don't have the head strap like I wanted to. I wanted to film driving back home, but so far feels pretty good. Pulling out of the neighborhood now. Feels pretty good. I got this other banana in front of me. Banana 1 and Banana 2 reporting for duty. Alright, we are back home. It drove really well for the first time. It felt a lot smoother. And remember in the video when the car broke, when I was talking about how 6th gear, you let off the gas, it sounds like it's misfiring, but there was no check engine light? It didn't even make a single noise now. So I think something was actually genuinely wrong with that transmission, and it was just throwing the whole car off. Because it wasn't jumping, it wasn't hesitating, it wasn't making a single noise in 6th gear. It felt really, really good to drive. The shifter even, I think Chase when I messed with the shifter because the MGW felt a little bit different. It felt way easier to shift. And it was driving really, really good. Next on the list is some new tint. New tint coming soon. A whole new wash, wax, paint correction, getting rid of all these swirls. And then rotors. We need rotors big time. But yeah, she did really good. Alright y'all, so we're back at the house. Like I said before, that car did amazing. This thing looks so cool when you're riding behind it. You can see the camber. Once again, probably need to get a slightly smaller spacer for the rear just to kind of push that tire back in a little bit, because it looks great from above, but you can see that it sticks out with the camber a little bit more. And then the front looks amazing. I might have to put a like a 1/4 inch or like a very tiny spacer on my front wheels just to kind of stick it out, because after seeing that car, my car is very like sucked in. So I might have to get something to kind of push the wheels out just a tiny little bit, but my rear is perfect. But yeah, this car looks so cool. I love this car. Riding behind it's amazing. It sounds so good with the H-pipe. Lethal Performance just came out with their long tube headers for this car, and they just got the Gen 6 Whipple, so Might have to get the Whipple and the long tube headers. Make this thing, make all you X650 haters sad when this thing rolls by you. But no, I'm kidding. It's a manual, so it ain't gonna be that fast. But appreciate y'all watching. That's gonna wrap the video. Comment below some new content you want me to film. No lift shifting, no racing. I gotta keep it easy on that for a little while. I gotta make this trans last more than 6 months this time. But see you on the next one. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel for some more. Follow the Instagram at Minion50 if you want to stay up to date with all the car and the reels and everything going on around here. And we'll see y'all later. Peace out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.